So I'm super tired, but this is the recap for today's studying. I had calculus in the morning. We did ideas 7, 8, 9, no, 8, 9, 10. Going into x approaching infinity and lns and logarithms and exponents. So if it's like exponent e to the infinity, for example, if it's positive infinity, then it goes to positive infinity as y goes to positive infinity. If it's e to the x where x approaches negative infinity, it goes to 0 because it's approaching the line, the x-axis. Since approaching 0, it's more graphical, I think, for logs and exponents when it comes to limits. Otherwise, we can think of it as like exponent power to the 2, again and again and again. It's just going to get bigger, so obviously it's going to get bigger. And if it's power to the negative 2, then if we multiply it, well, power to negative 2 again and again and again, it's going to become 1 over e to the 2 again and again. So it's like 1 over infinity, kind of, because negative exponent is basically a fraction of 1 over that expression. So then it's going to become 1 divided by a very big number approaching 0. That kind of stuff. Other than that, I kind of forgot. But after I had 4 hours of lab, I mean like 4 hours of like intense lab, because like it doesn't stop, and like it's not something that we do and then we wait for 2 hours. No, it's like I had 2 hours of chemistry and then 2 hours of physics. Both has to be done within the 2 hours. I mean like analysis and everything, kind of, because once you're out the lab you don't really remember, and it's just ideal to finish everything within 2 hours. In chemistry we're just doing salt water, but then I made a mistake between beakers and like transferring the salt water versus the deionized water, and I mixed some and I had to dump everything and repeat. It was just about solution, concentration, molarity, dilution, yeah. And then mechanics is what was quite more challenging, maybe we could say. It's pucks that draw lines of acceleration, going either one just going straight down and the other one that is projected that makes a parabola. And then we're trying to find acceleration, and I still didn't find it because I was kind of late in finishing the lab. So one gives me 0 point something, 0.5 or something, and the other acceleration gives me 1.2 something, so it's totally off, and I need to check that again.